Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying components. Confirm the KAI transmitter coil fits your phone and the driver board outputs 59V at 500 1500 mA. Strip 3-4 mm of enamel from coil leads. Once done, tin the wires and the PCB pads. You then solder coil leads to the driver board clearly matching polarity. Make clean, short joints to reduce resistance. After soldering, use heat shrink on exposed joints and secure the driver inside the enclosure to prevent movement during testing. Once mounted, align the coil precisely where the phone's receiver will sit. Make slight adjustments because alignment determines efficiency. You power the driver from a stable 59V source and monitor voltage and current with a multimeter while placing the phone on the pad. If the phone reports charging, note current draw and check driver temperature. Make sure components stay under safe heat levels. If the LED or status indicator behaves oddly, recheck solder joints and wiring continuity before proceeding. You finish by securing the coil and driver with adhesive or screws, adding a thin non-conductive spacer to protect the phone, and labeling the power input. If the phone does not charge, remeasure coil continuity and driver input/output voltages, and confirm the phone supports KAI. Often alignment or a faulty coil is the issue. Make sure the driver isn't overheating. If it is, add vents or a small heatsink and reduce input current. This single check usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.